Okay, what you will be needing for the bee costume is yellow yarn, brown pipe cleaners, white paper, yellow paper, and scissors.
Okay, so for the first step, we're going to be cutting strips of yellow paper, and they can be about this length. Just make sure they fit on your shirt. So then you're going to be taping them like that, just to look like a bee. Okay, so this is somewhat what it should look like once you're done with the bee stripes. So next, just wind 2 pipe cleaners like this and put them like this so they can be like a little headband. Then you're going to be attaching 2 of the pipe cleaners onto the headband so that they stay on. Okay, so once you have the antenna, you're just going to wrap around your head like this.
Next up, we will be making the wings.
So for the wings, you're just going to be cutting out whatever size you want. I'm going to be doing pretty small. So now we have our 2 wings that are...
You will attach the wings to your arm.
Okay, so here are the wings. And we're going to take... You can either use string for this and tie it on, or you can use tape. I think we're just going to use tape. And just get a big piece and put it on there. And then you just put it on the back. So now this is what it looks like. You have the 2 wings in the back and the stripes in the front and the antenna on your head. And so this is the completed bee look.
For the unicorn costume, you will need pink paper for the tail and the ears, yarn to hold the horn together, scissors to cut the paper, tape to attach it to your body, and more white paper for the horn.
Alright, so first we're going to start with the belly, which will go right there, and it's just going to be a little white circle. So there's an oval about that size, and we're just going to be taking that onto her shirt. So next we're going to be doing the tail. So for that we'll be using pink paper. So this is what the tail looks like for us. And then we're just going to be taping this on to Showing lower back. Okay. for the horn, you're just gonna take a paper this long. This is about how tall your horn is gonna be. So I'm just starting with the corner and rolling it. We have the horn on, and the next part we're going to be doing the ears. So for the ears, we're just cutting out two shapes like this, kind of like a leaf, and we're going to be putting them onto the string.
This is the finished product. A couple more costumes you could do for Animal Day are a bee costume and a unicorn costume. These are our blueprints.
Or pray, which is it today? It's art